How's it going? This is Matt Nelson, aka Heavy B. Just wanted to show you all a little bit of video of something I do to add some motion into my spread. I make my own squirter, splashers, pulsating, whatever you want to call them. If you want to know more about them, leave a comment down below. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my page. I got some more videos hopefully soon be coming out. Working full-time, and doing the videos on the side is definitely rough, but I'm going to try to do more. Thank you. Let me hook it up. Works pretty good. Put a lot of ripples on the water. Thank you all for watching. Tell your friends about us.